welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the charging port or charging. So I bought a charger from Amazon. This is a Galaxy A02. I'm going to change the charge. Watch my step. If you have the same problem, you can change it easily. First thing we need to do is SIM card tray out. And the next thing, back case, there's no clips, there's no screws. Normally what I do is the sides. Once you get one side just like that, once it comes off slowly, then just go around there or any other tools you guys have. Quite easy though, but by just putting low pressure on, and there's nothing connected to it, so you won't be able to break anything. As long as you take the SIM card out, that's it. That's the main thing. That's our hope. That's it. And the SIM card tray is right here. So for the first thing what we need to do is disconnect the battery. So I need to remove one screw here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. So we need to take the 8 screws out so you can disconnect the battery before we can charge it. The charging port is just a flex cable, so it's easy to connect. You don't need to do soldering anything. You need to lift it up and see. It just comes out easy. And then we need to disconnect battery. That's the battery out. And now we need 8 screws. You need to take it out. You can either, what I normally do is screws are different, put it separate places. So you know, and with the case, the cover that you took off, put it in the same place with the screws so you don't mess it up. But these screws are all the same, so you just need to make sure when you put it back, you put all the screws back in. It does help the screwdriver with the magnet, so it's easier. And then you need to disconnect it. The charging port it's got flex cable disconnected, so you need to disconnect that out, and also the antenna cable you need to disconnect it. It's quite easy. Slow connections is holding both sides, so you just need to lift it up a little bit. See, lift it up, and it just comes out. That's how easy it is. Then you get your new one, and then the new one what you do is you replace the original one. They have a small rubber that's holding the connection, so you just need to take it out and put it back in like the way it's already. Slide in there, it's easy, it sits in nice. And the next one as well, the headphone goes in, the head jack, there's a rubber there to connection that comes off as well, so you take that one off and put a new one in there, just like that. It's connected, and then what you need to do is the rubbers will be loose a little bit, so just be patient. You'll hear little clips anyway when it's sitting properly. These things are sitting properly. Make sure the flex cable is connected properly. When you know it's secure, it's secure. So now put this back before we fully connect it, before we fully screw it all up. The screw just the bottom there. Next thing, you need to connect the battery. Let's test it out. That's it. Let's just connect the battery by itself. That's it. So what we're gonna do is get the charger. You can see it shows this charger. So we're just, the battery's been dead for quite a little while. So that's a good sign. Showing charger once you plug in. Although it wasn't showing at all. I'm gonna leave it to charge. I'm gonna leave it. That's it. It's done this work. So I'm gonna assemble the rest of them, put everything else back together. Now I'm going to leave in the charge. It hasn't been charging for a while, so thank you for watching.